good. And I think every year it is always special to come for IFFI, and this is another special year. I think a lot of new initiatives have been taken, and I'm happy that OTTs include this year.
Yeah.
So which is a welcome initiative from IFFI. Also, I think restoration of the films, like 30s films, they have restored, like films like Guides and all those very important milestone films have been restored. So that's another good thing, and something which I started long back, which is 75 minds, creative minds,
Yeah.
which we give exposure to. But I always feel that this is a place which is very important place for youngsters. देखिए क्या है कि जो पहुँचे हुए फिल्म मेकर्स हैं या जो लोग सक्सेसफुल हैं उनको तो बहुत एक्सपोजर मिलता है, लेकिन जो हमारे यंग बच्चे हैं जो फिल्म अभी शुरू कर रहे हैं बनाना, उन लोगों के लिए IFFI बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. And I think it's a very important festival for those, and that's the reason I am here, to encourage them and make sure that they get the right exposure. I think the master classes and all those things. I look forward to this IFFI like always.
So one important question, you are an important member of our film industry. Recently actor Vishal leveled allegations.
Right, we will not talk about controversies here. I think whatever was to be inquired about, and we take everything seriously, and I think all the processes which are required to be streamlined. I've already sent the press release, which you can see that a lot of initiatives have been taken. We always with the industry and for a more streamlined and better process.
And speaking of your projects, what we can expect?
I'm working on a couple of musical things. As you know, my primary thing is basically nature of a poet. So I love songs, and I think storytelling through songs is something which I'm experimenting with right now, and collaborating with few filmmakers.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.